Starting then. Yeah.
So let's start.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Welcome to our Google Solution Challenge 2023. Hello, everyone, university leads, and Mr. Askar. How are you doing today, all of you?
Cool. What about you?
Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, so great as well. Yeah, let's start in then. Let's put the PPT now then.
Okay.
Yeah, welcome back to our solution challenge. And today we want to give a lot of information regarding to this topic. And today I would like to just give all this like informations to everyone that's really needed. And like before starting like your topics, can you a bit like introduce yourself, please? Then we will conduct another like speakers as well. Then. Let's start from me then. My name is Zunura Mansurova and I am Kimya International University lead. Um, uh-huh. Yeah. Then Mr. Askar will continue our like um, info session. Yes. You can start it then, Mr. Askar. How are you doing?
Salam dostlar. Hi all. Thank you for inviting. Всем привет.
Welcome.
I represent Google Developer Relationships team. We have a big region. It covers Turkey, Azerbaijan, Central Asian countries, and Mongolia. Zunura and Ibrahim, Saidi Krom, Marjona, Abdulaziz Oysarkhon, and many other leaders organized this info session to inspire and all Uzbekistan to participate in this solution challenge. And I was asked to tell a little bit about history. Usually from our region, we didn't have much applications. For example, it was like last year, as I know, 3-5 from Kazakhstan, 3-5 from Uzbekistan, and not much. A lot of applications were from Turkey, and uh, last year one team got into top 10, and they were the winners. There was a team from Izmir, and we talked to her. We asked actually her to join this session, but she was busy today, unfortunately. She told that it was not so difficult to win. Actually, her team, it was only two people. She was doing front end development, and she found on LinkedIn, she found some partner from India. They did together backend development. Uh, Also, I was going through the guidelines, and actually, just before going to this, I wanted to tell how many applications are today. I watched, we have 95 from Kazakhstan, we have 38 from Uzbekistan, and other countries in our region have really not big amount yet, but I think it will be more. Why a lot from Kazakhstan? Because we had info session last week, And actually, only after info session, I studied a little bit more the judging criterions. And now, today, for you, I can share more understanding of my own. As far as I understood, I know that our leads will deep dive into the judging criterions. I will just briefly tell my understanding. It has a lot to do with presenting the results, the narrative, the you picked problem to solve, and then how impactful this problem, how big it is, and what did you show to the testing groups, to users, how did the testing go, and so a lot of it's a chance to win is related to presentation and also related to continual work on upgrading this prototype. Also, small insight, I know that last year's solutions, all of them are on the level of prototype. They're not implemented to production. So don't worry if you think your solution will be not good enough, just apply, try your best. The more applications will apply from Uzbekistan, more chance to have teams in the top 10. And actually this year, it's not only top 50 for like semifinals, top 100. So we have a lot more chances. We have prizes, certificates for every participant who applies. We have swags for those who go to top 100 already. And if you get to the top 10, you get 1,000 US dollars. And out of them, 3 teams will get 4,000 US dollars. Also, we just yesterday had an update from Google HQ that all teams are eligible for free access to Google Cloud, for Google Cloud credits for production if you will apply. So every week we have some new updates, some new good news on this solution challenge. I'm located in Almaty. We were discussing with leads that maybe we will try to do some offline event in March in Tashkent, and we will try to bring several Googlers. If we hope we can do it, it's not for sure yet, but hopefully we'll see all of you in person. I wish you good luck, and thank you, dear leads, for inviting to this event. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Askarka. Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Askar, for your wonderful speech. Let's then talk about our timeline. Yeah, thank you so much. Um, As many people know that from the January 11th till the March 31, the Solution Challenge program will be started and conclusion. I mean, it will be closed it, but between them, majority of people, most of the with the group of people, they are just learning and building their like tasks, meetings, and they mostly doing the kickoff sessions. It was happened on the January 18th, which is by the conducting of the solution challenge, like from the Google side, they did kickoff event in order to inform every like key steps of the solution challenge. And coming to the March 17, you need to like submit your group of people, like every your informations regarding to your team. But coming to the March 31, you need to build your task and just give all these informations to your website, like. And it is like mostly around like first, and then you need like wait till the like May 31st, certain because they're like majority of mentors conducting with you with your problem, that you just find some solutions regarding 17 SDG goals. From them, like top 100 groups will conduct to this May mentorship like evaluation, and it will be announced by the top 100 winners by the May time. Then, coming to the June of 2nd, they will be final solution submission. It is like within a 1 month, it will be like solution submission time. Then it will be like global team winners announced. But coming to the in the middle of the June till the early August, it will be demo day preparation. It is like when you are just working with a mentorship, they will give you their advices, their like opinions regarding to your problem, that you bring it to the March, before the March, I mean. And coming to the June 19, from the 100 top like global teams will be selected only top 10 groups, like teams to announce the winners. And coming to the August, which is really appreciated time will be, then they will be solution challenge demo day, and plus from the top 10, it will be selected only top 3 winners and will be announced. As you know, there have a lot of like prizes, which is really amazing. uh, as Mr. Askar mentioned, even if you are participated, you will get the certifications and other stuff. The second one, it will be like networking. You will work with the mentorship skills, like with a mentorship team, and they will support you, and you will be in a like amazing period of time. Yeah, if you're regarding to our topic, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate and ask from us. Yeah, our next speaker, it is it will be about the kickoff event. Yeah, welcome Ibrahim.
Thank you. Hi everyone. So let's switch to the most important slide. I think because it's about prizes. So um, we have 4 types of prizes for solution challenge participants. And for your information, on past year we have only top 50 teams after. After the first judging. But in this year, we have top 100 teams, and they will receive a mentorship from Googlers as well, and also branded T-shirt and certificates. So actually, and one more thing about all participants in the solution challenge, they all will get the profile badge and official certificate from Google. And so, yeah, let's move on to the next type of prizes. So, no, switch. Yeah, thank you. So, about top 10 finalists. So, they will get mentorship from Google and also Swagbox, and the opportunity to showcase solution to Googlers and developers all around the world. So we have also the contest finalists. So they will be they will get the cash prize. So the maximum cash prize for each team will not exceed $4,000, and the top winners will get all listed prizes and also the cash prize, which can't exceed to $12,000. And yeah, I think it's nice prizes. And yeah, please participate in solution challenge. Thank you. So I will call the next speaker. Marjana, please continue. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Marjana. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today I will be talking about the judging criteria. By the way, I forgot to introduce myself. I am a Google Developer Student Club lead at New Uzbekistan University and Women Tech Makers Ambassador. So the most important for all of us is the judging criteria. So be attentive and listen carefully. So the judging criteria consists of two parts. First part is called impact, and the next part is called technology. From each part, you can get 25 points. So if we add them, you can get maximum 50 points for each part. Let's deep dive into impact part. So first of all, you need to identify what problem you are solving. You are giving the solution for which problem. And the problem should be related to sustainable, UN sustainable development goals. Is it related to it or not? So this is important part. And the next part is, so you know the solution for the problem and you start to develop your product or project, and after that you can start coding, designing everything, and start testing with the users, actual users, and collect their feedback, and according to their feedback, um, test your product, which parts are fragile, which parts are not related to the solution part, which parts have mistakes, errors, so correct them. So in the judging criteria, the evaluation panel judge three comments. So be careful that you showed your solution to maximum or minimum three users, and you should collect three feedback for the evaluation criteria. And based on the evidence, based on the testing, you should correct your mistakes. After that, your solution should really address the problem part. It should really related to the UN sustainable goals. After that, please identify your goals for future. What if your product or project include or just include larger scale, larger audience? So it's really important. It's really important. Identify the timeline, and you should explain it to the judges carefully. Let's move to the second part of the judging criteria. It is about technology. Technology part also consists of five sections, and each section counts 5 points, so all of them 25. And first, which Google technology are you gonna use? Is it Google Assistant? Is it Flutter? Is it Firebase? So identify it. After that, why you are using. With that Google technology, are you giving the clear solution to the problem? So why? Please ask smart questions before creating your project. After that, you should clearly state your architecture, your high level components of your product, and responsibilities of those components. And please carefully clarify the specific product and platforms for developing your project. Which platforms adding to the Google technology are you using to develop your product? So after that, implementation of all components. When you are showing your solution to the judges or demonstrating the solution, please show that the product you created is really working. it should be responsive, the implementation should be perfect. Next step is explaining the challenges during the development process. What challenges did you face when you are developing your project? And clearly explain it to the judges. What challenge did you face and how did you solve it? So this is really crucial part, and to see that you really worked on your project. After that, inclusion of documentation and guidelines. When you are doing the bigger, more scalable projects, it's really important to make documentation of that. So please, when you are in the process of implementing or developing your project, create a documentation file and clearly state all steps, what you are doing during the process. After that, video demonstration. So when you are demonstrating, when you are presenting your project, please be really clear about your project, explain it well. So this is important part, and you need to show the actual working project. It shouldn't be mock-up. When you are showing your project, for example, website or application, it should work, not a mock-up. It shouldn't be just design. It should work. After that, user can interact with your product, and the demo should show the effective and appropriate use of Google technologies. For example, if I use your product, if I just test your product, I need to know what Google technology you use it. Firstly, from the first impression, it should show. And the last one is just like the impact part of the last part, clearly identify your future goals. More users, increase its scale. So, do you have a backup part? What do you do when more users can interact with your product? And and that's all I think. Yeah. Thank you for your attention. We hope that you will submit your solution challenge projects by 31st of March. Good luck. Thank you very much.
Sorry, sorry, Aisara. So can you hear me? You was muted, so yeah, so we can't hear you. Yeah, let's
Okay,
start
let's start
again.
again.
Yeah.
Let's start again. Thank you so much who wrote in the comment that my voice was muted. Thank you so much for being active. So actually, my name is Asara, and I'm Tashkent University Information Technologist leader. And I'm here to tell you about the resources and workshops that you can learn and study among Solution Challenge program. Well, actually, Solution Challenge is a 3 months program, and you have enough time to to learn new things, to learn programming even, and build a new application that can solve the real problems. So let me share my screen, and I'm going to share all the useful links that you can learn. Well, here we have the resources, a good set of resources for your submission. For example, well, Solution Challenge is about using Google technologies. So here the website where all the technologies that are Google's, so you can implement in your application. For example, it's Firebase, it's Android, it's a Google Safe Browsing, it's Flutter, it's TensorFlow, it's Maps and Google Assistant. Well, yeah, AppG for Gmail, Google Search Central, and etc. So this website is all about Google technologies. And the next resource is about collections of learning content. Here you can learn the new topics. Yeah, for example, if you want, you can yeah, here we have a lot of sets of materials, the courses, and etc. For example, you can like choose mobile, like Kotlin, and you get the courses about it. Well, solution challenge, you need to build an app or AI solution. So you can build your app via Kotlin programming language or Swift for iOS or Flutter for both iOS and Android. If you don't know about how to build programming, how to build an app, okay, it's a good chance you can start today learning how to program by learning these courses. Well, and also we have a good learning resources here. Yeah, build an Android app with Firebase and Jetpack. Well, now I'm going to show you how to use this website. Well, if you're new to Android programming language, you can start watching from this video. Build an Android app with Firebase. It's a YouTube video, so you can just put, and it's going on. Yeah. Yeah, and here we have a lot of lessons. Yeah, very useful lessons, and they are all free. You know, it's all free. Just you need to sit and learn them one by one. And actually, you are away from winning. And thank you so much. This was all. Yeah. And I hope you build an awesome application. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and we are ready to ask them. Thank you. Well, guys, here we have the overview videos. Actually, we're going to also to post these videos to our Telegram channel. So please follow all Telegram channels. For example, I'm a TUIT lead. So if you type on the Telegram like searching box TUIT GDSC, you can find, or for example GDSC NUU, mean National University, New Uzbekistan University, and you can find their Telegram channel. So we're very simple. You can find us everywhere. So here in the slides, we see that solution challenge about UN Sustainable Development Goals. By the way, on February 2nd, we host the event, online event with a UNDP expert who has a wealth of experience in SDG goals. And actually, you can watch this. You can watch them. So please go to this YouTube channel and find this video. And if you have any questions regarding SDG 17 goals, you can contact actually Tony, and he's ready. Ask them. And actually, this is a video about how to build a project all through. Yeah. Well, and here we have the tutorial videos. For example, identifying a problem. Well, what's your problem? Yeah, you can watch this video and then identify a solution. What kind of solution are you applying for this problem? And the third video is about designing the solution, the interface, and designing the technology. Yeah. Well, all the videos we will share um to our Telegram channel. So please follow them because you are missing a lot of things, guys. Yeah, and the very interesting part of that a solution challenge that if you want to win, you need to act as winners, and you need to know how winners did build their project. So here we have a lot of videos that won last year because there are 10 finalists, if you remember, and among them top three will get cash prizes, each of the members of the group. And so yeah, but top 10 is actually the winners. Yeah. And also this is the finalist, the winners of the Solution Challenge 2021. And it's a good thing actually to identify your idea, the problem, and how these participants came up with a solution, because many things well, you don't have to reinvent the vehicle, just you need to use these things that are ready, that are present, and just implement them in a different way. So this is about startup. Yeah, and what participants said about the Android, about the Flutter, about Google Cloud platform, and Firebase and TensorFlow, so you can read them. So they're very excited about this courses because all of the courses are conducted by Google experts. It's not just a course from educational center; it's a course from an expert, from a Google expert. So I just highly recommend you to learn them, to study them, and yeah. And here we have a demo day. Them. We can see all of their videos. It's the last years, about 2021, and here's the end. And actually, we look forward to your applications, and I think the world will be much better if we will build like impact technologies, like technologies for good. And I think it's a new wave of development actually for Uzbekistan and for like countries among us. So thank you so much. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below in the comment sections. And we are ready to ask them. And guys, you can join me. We don't have any questions yet, right? Well, and also, right, we are also going to host a design day, the ideathon day, so to like figure out your idea,
Yeah.
So guys, stay tuned. We're preparing a lot of things for you. Yeah. And actually, we are also going to host in offline sections, offline webinars at our local universities. So yeah. So guys are writing, thank you, thank you. You are welcome. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much for everyone to listen us. And
Yay.
amazing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So guys,
Thank you so much
let's
for everyone. Uh, yeah, here is a question.
mm-hmm.
Marjana, could you answer to this question if it's possible because it's directly to you?
Yes, of course, from Mr. Ahmad Khurshedov. I have a question regarding the building an app. So Marjana said that our project should work whether it's a website or an application, but can we do a demo which at least one function works? I think it's not a big project if it has one function. So it should be, if you are using Google technologies, then it should be more than that. I think, um, no, it can't be one functional project.
Yeah, actually what we mean by MVP, well, MVP is that
Yeah.
something that minimal
And
viable
top,
product. So your app should work somehow. But let's imagine it's a car, but the car has four vehicles, has the ruler and etc. But it's not the ideal car. So you don't have to build an ideal application. You just need to build an app that works. Okay, the UI is not good, maybe some not working well, but the application, the main functions, actually there are two and three, should work very good. And then it means that's MVP. Zunur, you have something to say?
yeah, it's okay. Thank you so much. Top three winners for Uzbekistan or around the world. As we know that
Mm-hmm.
solution challenge it's around the world and top 100, top 10 and top 3 winners it will be around the world. Not only Uzbekistan but other countries as well.
Yeah, for example, from China,
Yeah,
from
welcome.
India, yeah,
Yeah.
from many, from Turkey, from many countries. So you have a good competition, guys. So you need to prepare a very good application. Yeah, I mean solution. Mm-hmm.
The main
Well, we
thing
had this
is
question.
like you need to try it. It's not the first time. And yeah, you need to
Mm-hmm.
just build the connection and it will be a perfect like networking skills and you will be around the like in a IT sphere for about like UI strategy goals.
Yeah, I think we can finish because I
Yeah.
think there's no questions.
If there is no questions, yeah.
Now we have a question
Mm-hmm.
one.
Okay, next question from Ahmad. Thank you for your
Mm-hmm.
questions. You're so active. Will leads also participate? I mean, can GDC leads and core team members participate in Solution Challenge? Yes, of course they can, because any individual in the world can submit their projects, solutions to Solution Challenge. So yeah, also, we are forming, I mean, myself, I'm forming a team to submit a solution, and it's a very interesting process for me. Yeah, Lids can participate. And guys, last mention, I think, if you have any further questions, you can write your questions directly here in the comments section, and we are here to answer you as soon as we can.
Yeah.
Even if after the session ends. Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, let's do our the symbol of
Then thank
GTSC
you so much
and
for
take a photo.
everyone for joining.
Yeah. So are you ready?
Yeah.
But who will do the screenshot? If I'm doing this, who is gonna take a screenshot? Okay, I'll do. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Yeah, good. Thank you, Broham, for
Thank you for joining us
showing.
today.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Thank you
It
so
was
much for
amazing.
everyone for joining and for listening.
Thank you. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.